But they're not native. They're active now. Yeah,
Just go. Careful.
Butterfly. Oh, wow.
It's a male one, small,
big.
and the female one is over there. It's the most expensive puppy and it's good. Because they are attracted to the flowers. And
Yeah.
this small one is a stingless bee, or local name.
Oh, yeah. Sir, this one smells good. Smell good.
I'm on top of Exi.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's like Mentos. Yeah.
That's
Especially when you this one. Smell good. Yeah. Very nice.
This is the lantana flowers.
Lantana flower. Yeah, if you have one, you like that. This one also medicine for that one. It's good for one. Yes, this stops bleeding. It does. This plant. It stops the bleeding. Will I get a few? A bit of it. Put it on my tag. No, I better not. I better
Alright,
not.
so here we have the guppy fish. This fish is for hands or foot spell like that. You can put your hands if you want. So the ate your dead skin, dry skin, like that. Let's go na daw. So they are also known rainbow fish because of their tails. And another benefits, they can eat mosquito larvae and eggs. Pwede mo mag-start with food prevention here, ma'am, sa dengue. So mas maganda siya sa mga bahay, sa bukid. Yes, kontra nila yung dengue. Yes po. Kinakain po nila yung mosquito eggs.
Feels funny.
Yeah, it's ticklish.
Mama, put your hand in. I'll make it.
I didn't know. You put your hand.
No, you.
See, nasa iyo.
Go, 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 go.
Alright, so let's proceed here. Para so those are really natural butterflies. As you can see, different colors, which means different species.
Okay.
Yeah. They can fly already. They need to spread their wings. They need to harden their wings first before they fly. But
Okay.
if they can fly, they can make already. It takes several hours or one day as long as they need to. So behind you, there's a butterfly mating. Yeah, it takes several hours or one day. As long as they don't disturb.
Okay.
And after that, they can produce hundred or more eggs.
Yeah.
The lives, yeah, 100 or more. After that, after that they can do. So this insect can camouflage. It's the legs.
There's one there, one look, you'll see.
It's like a vermicide, bad smell. But in the farmer, it's a good indicator because it's
Healthy soil.
Healthy soil. Because they're this one or the water spinach, and this one is mazola. It's rich in protein.
Oh yeah, they're
Usually
big.
they will put-
Its head is up.
They mix on the feeds on the
Do you want to get one here?
the swines. Tribal update po.
You're waiting.
Galing yan sila sa taas. Ha? Galing yan sila sa taas.
You see two turtles.
Oh yeah. Two of them.
Yeah.
Take a picture of that.
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah.
And I take a picture. And there's another one coming there.
Oh yeah.
It's a movie.
There he is.
Yeah.
Azola yan, sir.
Ha?
Azola.
Ah, okay.
Hinalo yan siya sa mga pagkain sa manok, sa baboy.
Nabubuhay siya.
Bear.
Parang nabubuhay siya. Parang buhay man.
Buhay po yan. Rich in protein yan siya. Sa mga nanginito, maganda.
Kinakain nila mga kanya.
Opo.
Mga target kinakain nila. Tawag ko.
Alright, so let's go to the second part of your tour, which is a tribal village tour.
Okay. Tribal people pa lang.
Daming butterfly.
Tapos sa Enchanted Kingdom, oh.
Yeah.
Sa taas pa, oh. Video mo, maganda ka video.
Okay, Ron.
Salt crocodile. Salt
Oh wow, they're
crocodile.
big, huh?
Wait,
Salt
where?
water crocodile.
Where? Oh. Oh.
The salt water crocodile.
Don't put your...
Sir, do you know the difference between a saltwater crocodile and a freshwater crocodile?
I think the saltwater are bigger, are they? No?
The saltwater crocodile is a bigger. And another thing, the saltwater crocodile can survive to the freshwater also. While the freshwater, he cannot survive to the saltwater.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, and this one, the saltwater, he can survive to the freshwater and to the
And
saltwater.
normal water.
So this is the difference. And this one, more bigger.
Take a picture, huh?
Oh, yeah, I did.
Always in the winter.
Yeah, this one only living in the...
Nice plant.
So welcome to the tribal village.
Have a good morning, pa. Good morning, ta. Pwede na sila, sir.
Dalawa lang yan.
Do. Okay, have a seat here at the front po. Here at the front, everyone. Meron po guys sa paakyat.
I think we need to get donation.
Okay.
They were having fun doing something here.
Okay.
Again, hold it, hold this, hold it, hold.